Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. In this video, we're breaking down why fake luxury reselling is never a real investment and why it leads to guaranteed loss. Many platforms, like eBay and Poshmark, also ban resellers caught dealing in fakes, permanently locking them out of legitimate income streams. Trying to save a few dollars by skirting the rules isn't worth risking your financial freedom or even your liberty. Protecting your money. The reseller scam factor. The fake goods market lacks regulation, which means it is a breeding ground for scams. When you buy a fake luxury item, you are essentially entering a dark alley of commerce where consumer protection laws don't apply. Resellers often encounter bait and switch schemes. The initial photos show a high-quality replica, but the item that arrives is a poorly constructed piece of junk that no one would buy. Payment theft. Sellers disappear after receiving payment, never shipping the item. Since these transactions often happen outside secure, platform-controlled channels, there is usually zero recourse for the buyer. No dispute resolution. Because the transaction itself involves illegal goods, you cannot rely on banks, PayPal, or credit card companies to help you recover funds if something goes wrong. The lack of accountability ensures that the reseller usually ends up losing money at every step, even before they try to sell the item. Without trust or legal backing, those initial investment dollars are extremely fragile. The hidden cost. Fake goods fund organized crime. It's easy to think of a fake watch as just a harmless copy. However, the production and distribution of massive amounts of counterfeit items globally require large, sophisticated criminal enterprises. The money generated from selling knockoffs often feeds into organizations that support much darker activities, including drug trafficking, human smuggling, and worker exploitation in illegal factories. When you purchase a fake item, you become a direct, if small, part of this harmful ecosystem. Investing in authenticity is not just about legality. It's about making a positive choice for ethical global trade. Responsible reselling means verifying your sourcing is legitimate and transparent. Smarter ways to invest in resale. Focus on real value. If your goal is to make smart money in resale, you must focus on assets that verifiably hold or gain value. Forget the fakes and build a sustainable business model based on reality. The smart choice. Authenticated pre-owned luxury. The real money is in the pre-owned market for genuine luxury items. Unlike counterfeits, authenticated items offer value retention. Real bags, watches, and jewelry often maintain 70% to 120% of their retail price, depending on rarity and condition. Liquidity. You can easily sell these items on large, reputable platforms like The RealReal, Vestiaire Collective, or professional eBay accounts specializing in authenticated goods. Reputation building. Selling provably genuine items builds trust and allows resellers to command higher prices. Focus your investment not on the item itself, but on becoming knowledgeable about genuine valuation, condition grading, and the specific authentication requirements of various brands. This knowledge is your greatest asset. Look beyond fakes. Profitable, legal niche investments. Many profitable side hustles exist that are far easier to authenticate and much safer legally than high-end accessories. These areas require expertise, but they reward careful investment with real profits. Consider focusing on niche markets where verification is simpler or highly regulated by third parties. Rare sneakers. Limited edition shoes, authenticated through services like StockX or GOAT, offer huge margins and fast turnover. Vintage clothing. Unique finds, especially designer pieces from decades past, are valued for history and rarity, not just branding. Retro video games and collectibles. Sealed games or graded comic books have established valuation metrics and clear paths for authentication by grading companies. By specializing in a legal, authentic niche, you build expertise that helps you spot genuine value. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes long-term profitability, something fake goods can never deliver. Invest in knowledge and verifiable proof over shady deals. Investing in fake luxury goods for resale is a non-starter for 2025. The risks far outweigh the negligible rewards. The potential for financial waste, severe legal penalties, and the ethical compromise of supporting organized crime make this strategy entirely reckless. Building a successful reselling business means focusing on authenticity and legality every single time. Choose verifiable value, protect your reputation, and build a legitimate, sustainable income stream instead of gambling your future on a counterfeit hustle. That's everything you need to know for now about the hidden risks of fake luxury reselling. Stay tuned for part 2. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.